Today I will be trying for the third time a Flexi Rod set because I've seen some good results. Okay, I've seen one method that looks really promising and I'm going to try it. So the last time I did the set, I made the mistake of bunching my hair up too much and it took forever to dry. It took long to dry and I'm not about that life. I ain't got time, okay, to sleep with freaking rods in my head. Damn it. So I'm going to try a new way and I think this will work much better. So be with me here. We can get through this together. Okay, that's very important that the hair be wet when doing this. So I am going to apply very minimal product because I don't want it to be way down. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing some coconut oil. I'll put this on my hair first. And the styling cream I'll be using is my Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and flaxseed oil. Okay, let me turn to the side and show you guys what I'm doing. Important to have a brush. If you don't have one like this, a normal bristle brush will actually work better because it will create that nice tension in the hair and pull it so that it's nice and smooth as it goes around the rod. Okay, I'm going to leave a space like this and then wrap it around and then roll it over the bottom piece and then roll it away from the bottom piece so that the hair is not overlapping, because if it overlaps it's going to take forever to dry. Okay, it's going to take forever to dry. And then there should be a piece like this on top and you will bend it over where the hair is at the root, which kind of anchors it in place, if that makes sense. So this is what it will look like. Okay, next piece. And that's two. It feels much better than the last time. I was not confident at all, but this feels much better. Yay! Oh my god, I love it. I think it's gonna look fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest and I'll come back when I just have to do the front section. Okay. lekker moeg nail. But it was so much fun. Oh my gosh. It was so much fun putting these in. I really enjoyed it this time around. It was much easier doing it this way. Just be sure to bend the ends like this so that the bottom part of your hair is held in place. And yeah, man, it should dry much quicker than my last attempt. That was fucking dismal. So I'm going to put a plastic bag on my head and then put the blow dry in there and then dry it, because we don't have hooded dryers, so we got hooded dryers. Cool, I'm gonna dry my hair and then y'all will see what it looks like afterwards. Lastly, my hair feels so soft and bouncy and free. What do you think? Will you try these? It is really good if you are transitioning. You know, you want to curl but your hair ain't doing the things, they're playing along. This will work for you. Trust me. Day 2. All I did was sleep with my hair in a bonnet, and it's still looking so good, so bouncy. It's very soft, very defined. I totally recommend a Flexi Rod set. Let me know what you think. Will you try this? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have an exceptional day.